This is one of the fills you're gonna be learning in this lesson. 3 essential cajon fills you can start using right away. We will get into it in just a second, but first I want to show you the new look of my studio. After a few years rocking the all-black background, I felt like it was time for a change. Something with a different vibe, a bit more personal. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this new setup. Alright, let's get into the lesson. In this lesson, I will show you 3 essential fill patterns that you can easily add to your grooves. I recommend starting with the grooves from my previous lesson, the 6 basic beats. If you haven't checked that out yet, the link is above. Also, don't forget to download the free notation so you can follow along. Alright, let's get started. Fill number 1. Let's start learning the pattern very slow. Now let's do an exercise to practice the pattern. 1 bar of a groove of your choice, followed by fill number 1. I suggest to start with a basic groove. Let's go nice and slow at 70 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the same exercise but faster at 90 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill number 2. Let's learn the fill. Time to play the exercise. 1 bar of a groove followed by the fill number 2. Let's do it 70 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now at 90 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now fill number 3. Now 1 bar of a groove followed by fill number 3 at 70 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now at the go tempo of the tutorial, 90 BPM. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now it's time to put these fills into practice with some music. This is the same backing track from the beginning of the video. The idea is simple. Play 3 bars of any groove you like, then add a fill. You can use, of course, the 3 fills you just learned. I will go first so you can hear how it sounds, then it's your turn. Let's go! If you want to level up your Cajon fills and start creating your own fills, check out Fills Course 1 and Fills Course 2. They've got everything you need to get creative. Links are in the description below. And if you want the notation for the fills we covered in this lesson, you'll find that link down there as well. Also, if you have been enjoying the videos and want to learn Cajon from scratch, make sure to sign up for my free Cajon starter course, link in the description. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you didn't yet subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you next time with another video.